Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that set, set data structure. So first session we have discussed it that set, what is set, and the next session we have discussed that descriptions of set. So just let me explain in fast so that you will get some idea what is a set and set data structure and description of set. Okay, normally set means if you want to represent a group of unique values as single entity, then we should go for set data structure. Set element represented by flower braces and in this way. Duplicates are not allowed, insertion order is not preserved, and we can sort the elements, and indexing and slicing are not allowed for the set. So when insertion order is not preserved, indexing and slicing concept is not allowed, and heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous means different type of objects, means any type of object we can insert. Objects are mutable, so we can create object and we can perform any changes in that object. Okay, we can apply mathematical operations like union, intersection, differentiate, etc. on set objects. Creation of set objects. Okay, first way is creating set object, okay, in this way, and the second way is creating the set with elements. Next, set won't allow duplicates. If you observe here, I am giving here duplicate elements. When here I am giving duplicate elements, it is not allowing. Okay, next, set object won't allow indexing and slicing. If you observe here, if I'm taking some set, okay, I'm accessing the element on set of 3. Okay, so here we are getting error. Okay, next, here I'm taking unset and I'm using slicing, so here we are getting error. Okay, what is error? Set objects not subscriptable. Okay, set object not subscriptable. Heterogeneous object allowed for the set. If you observe here, I am taking int, string, float, boolean, everything. Okay, next, based on our requirement we can add the content, or so that we can say set objects are mutable. Okay, this is nothing but what we have discussed in the as part of last session. So today we are going to discuss about important functions of set. Okay, today we are going to discuss about important functions of set. Important functions of set. Important functions of set. So today we are going to discuss about important functions of set. So first function is add. Okay, first function is add. So add method is going to add items to the set. Okay, it is going to add x items to the set. It is going to add x items to the set. So how it will add? Observe here. I'm taking one set. Okay, s is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. S is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. S dot add of I'm taking here 100 or 1000 I'm taking. So by using add we can add the elements to the set. Okay, but make sure set objects won't allow insertion order. Okay, set objects won't allow insertion order. That means in which way I'm giving the elements, in the same way it is not going to print. So we'll get the elements in the random order. That means insertion order is not preserved. Okay, so for these elements now I'm adding 1000. Okay, when I'm adding this 1000, so now observe the output. Print of yes. Okay, this is nothing but add function. This is nothing but what? Add function. Observe here, this is nothing but add function. Example. Okay, this is nothing but add function, and this is example. Second, update function. Okay, second function is nothing but x comma y comma z. Okay, let me write for the update function. Update function is going to add multiple items to the set to add multiple items to the set, then we should go for update function. Okay, to add multiple items to the set, we need to go for the update function. Observe here, to add multiple items to the set, to the set to add multiple items to the set, then we should go for we should go for update function. Then we should go for update function. To add multiple items to the set, then we should go for update function. Second point. Okay, before going to the second point, let me write the example. Okay, let me show you the program, then I will go for theory. Here I'm taking one set. Okay, first here I'm taking set. What I'm doing, L is equal to I'm taking one more set. Okay, next I'm going to take for set a list. Okay, we'll take list. Here I'm taking nothing but 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, I'm taking one set elements and I'm taking one list elements. So we are going to using update function. Okay, update function syntax. Okay, update function syntax. Syntax of update. Syntax of update function. So the syntax will be update of x comma y comma z. Okay, x comma y comma z. X comma y comma z. To add multiple items to the set, then we should go for update function. To add multiple items to the set, then we should go for update function. Next, here I'm taking set, I'm taking one list. Next here what I am doing means s dot, okay, s dot update. That means we can access update function on set object. Okay, it is possible to access update function on set object by using in this way. Here I am taking s dot update of I'm taking list. Okay, I'm taking list comma range of 5. Okay, range of 5 elements I'm taking set, list, and I'm updating the set. Print of yes. Okay, print of yes. Now observe here, these elements and the range of 5. These all elements are going to update to the set. Okay, now observe the behavior. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 70, 80, and 90, and 50, and 60. Are you observing? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And if you observe here, the elements are not in the same order. Okay, the elements are not in the same order because set won't allow insertion order. Okay, the elements in which way you are going to insert it, it is not going to insert in the same order. Okay, so now observe here, arguments are not individual elements and these are iterable objects like list, range, etc. That means by using this term we can say that arguments are not individual. Okay, arguments not individual elements. Arguments are not individual elements, and these are iterable objects. These are iterable objects like list, range, etc. Okay, list, range, etc. All elements present in the given iterable objects, all elements present in the given iterable objects will be added to the set. given iterable objects will be added to the set. Okay, all elements present in the given iterable objects will be added to the set. That means with this one program we can say this theory: to add multiple items to the set, then we should go for update function. Arguments are not individual elements, and these are iterable objects like list comma range, list comma range. Next, all elements present in the given iterable objects will be added to the set. That means all elements present in the given iterable objects will be added to the set. Okay, these are iterable objects. These iterable objects are added to the set, right? So this is nothing but update function. Okay, this is nothing but what? Update function. Next concept is a copy function. Okay, next is nothing but copy function. Next is nothing but copy function. Next is nothing but what? Copy function. Copy function is nothing but returns copy of the set. Okay, it is nothing but returns a copy of the set. Returns copy of the set. Next, returns the copy of the set. Returns returns a copy of the set. And the next thing, it is cloned object. It is a cloned object. It is cloned object. Observe here, what I am doing here is, so first I am taking set. First I am taking set s1 is equal to s dot copy. Okay, s1 is equal to s dot copy of this one. So it is exactly going to create the duplicate copy of an existing object. It's going to create duplicate copy of an existing object. Next, print of s1. Print of s1. Print of s1. So if you observe here, how many elements are here? 5 elements. But I am creating duplicate copy. Okay, s1. Same elements are available. If you observe here, let me print s also. Let me print s also. See, here the same elements are printing. Okay, duplicate copy and original copy. Okay, duplicate copy and original copy. Right? This is nothing but copy function. Okay, it is returned copy of the set. It is cloned object, means creates duplicate copy of an existing object. Creates a duplicate copy of an existing object. Creates a duplicate copy of an existing object. Next thing, fourth point, pop function. Okay, next is nothing but pop function. Next is nothing but pop function. Pop function is nothing but it removes and returns some random element from the set. Okay, that means it removes and returns. Okay, it removes and returns some random element from the set. Element from the set. It removes and returns some random element from the set. S is equal to, first I am taking what? S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 I am taking. Print of S. Print of S. Next, S is equal to set print of S. Print of S dot copy. print of s dot copy. Here what I am doing s dot copy, s dot copy. Here copy means creates an existing object, but here I'm printing. So now our target is a pop function. Okay, so here observe here in this case and in this case. So pop function we can use directly, but if I use copy function in this way, okay, so directly here copying and that information we are printing. Okay, now observe here what I am doing, pop function. Okay, so copy function means first here first set original set after creating duplicate copy, after creating duplicate copy. Next here what I am doing means without copy pop function I'm taking, without copy pop function I'm taking. So pop function is what is going to do, removes and returns. Okay, it removes and returns some random element from the set. Okay, after removing the element I'm printing yes one more time. Okay, so first time original, after removal, after removal, after removal. So if you observe here first time this is the one, it is removing 50. So after removal 50 is not available. Did you observe? This is nothing but pop function. Pop function is nothing but it is going to remove and returns some random element from the set. Okay, it is going to remove and returns some random element from the set, right? This is nothing but pop function. Okay, this is nothing but what? Pop function. Okay, in the next session we are going to observe some more functions with respect to set, that is remove, discard and a clear function. Okay, in the next session we are going to discuss about remove, discard and clear function, right? Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please reach out to my email id in the given description or post your query in the comment section. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video.